everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Alpha Park Library. So today's story time is the last, for now, in my emotion series. So we've already done happiness, sadness, and anger. Today we're going to do those scary type of emotions, like fear. So as always, take out your lesson plans and follow along. Our first song is You'll Sing a Song and I'll Sing a Song. Here we go. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warmer wintry weather. Okay, let's sing it again. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warmer wintry weather. Okay, so our first song is called Feelings, and it's to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. And I'm pretty sure I sang this another story time. I think it was the happy one, but I'm not sure. But if you know it, make sure that you sing along, okay? I have feelings, so do you. Let us sing about a few. I feel glad, you feel sad. I feel sad, you feel glad. I have feelings, don't you see? Feelings are what makes me, me. How are you feeling today? I feel pretty happy, kind of sleepy. I have feelings, so do you. Let us sing about a few. I feel glad, you feel sad. I feel sad, you feel glad. I have feelings, don't you see? Feelings are what makes me, me. Okay, so our first book today is a very sweet one. It's called The Rabbit Listened. And it's about a little boy who's very upset. And all the rabbit has to do to make him feel better is just listen and understand. One day, Taylor decided to build something new, something special. Something amazing. Taylor was so proud. Look, that's amazing, isn't it? He built that with blocks. But then, out of nowhere, oh no, things came crashing down. The chicken was the first to notice. Cluck, cluck, what a shame. I'm so sorry this happened. Let's talk about it. Cluck, cluck. But Taylor didn't feel like talking, so the chicken left. Next came the bear. Roar, roar, how horrible. I bet you feel so angry. Let's shout about it. Gar, roar, roar. But Taylor didn't feel like shouting, so the bear left. The elephant knew just what to do. Trumpeta, I can fix this. We just need to remember exactly the way things were. But Taylor didn't feel like remembering, so the elephant also left. One by one they came. The hyena, hee hee, let's laugh about it. The ostrich, gulp, let's hide and pretend nothing happened. The kangaroo, tisk tisk, what a mess, let's throw it all away. And the snake, shh, let's go knock down somebody else. But Taylor didn't feel like doing anything with anybody, so eventually they all left until Taylor was alone. In the quiet, Taylor didn't even notice the rabbit, but it moved closer and closer until Taylor could feel its warm body. Together they sat in silence until Taylor said, "Please stay with me." The rabbit listened. The rabbit listened as Taylor talked. The rabbit listened as Taylor shouted. The rabbit listened as Taylor remembered and laughed. The rabbit listened to Taylor's plans to hide, to throw everything away, to ruin things for someone else. Through it all, the rabbit never left. And when the time was right, the rabbit listened to Taylor's plan to build again. I can't wait, Taylor said. It's going to be amazing.
The rabbit listened,
Taylor was able to imagine building his amazing creation all over again. The little rabbit reminds me of my little puppies. I'm always able to talk to them, and we just make each other feel better if one of us is upset. So next, we're going to do a breathing exercise. So try to do it with me, okay? This is really good if you're upset, if you're angry, if you're scared, just to help yourself calm down. Okay, here we go. Breathe in deeply through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now breathe out fully through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you just keep repeating that until you feel more calm and able to think clearly. Okay? So our second book is called Jack's Worry. Jack loved playing the trumpet. For weeks, he had been looking forward to playing for his mom in his first ever concert. On the morning of the big day, he found he had a worry. "Time to get up," said Jack's mom. "I've made you a special pre-concert breakfast." Jack crawled under the blankets, but his worry crawled under with him. Jack hid under the bed, but his worry followed him there too. When Jack finally got downstairs, his worry made it hard for him to eat his special breakfast. "Everything okay?" asked his mom. Jack wanted to tell her about his worry, but he couldn't find the words. After breakfast, Jack ran around the yard, trying to lose his worry. But every time he stopped, it caught right back up with him. So Jack did the one thing that always made him happy. He took out his trumpet and he started to play. But that only made things worse. Jack's worry was here to stay. "It's almost time to go," Jack's mom said. But Jack couldn't go to the concert with such a big worry. He couldn't do anything with such a big worry. Suddenly, it was all a bit too much for Jack. You ever felt like that before? I know I have. "I don't want to go." Jack's mom crouched in front of him. "I thought you were looking forward to today," she said. For the first time that day, Jack stopped trying to get rid of his worry. Instead, he looked at it, really looked at it, and he found the words he needed. "I don't want to play in the concert," he told his mom. "I'm worried I'll make a mistake, and you won't love me anymore." "That's quite a worry," said Jack's mom. "I'm glad you told me. And you know what? The concert isn't about playing perfectly. It's about having fun and sharing something you love with people who love you. And I will still love you, even if you play every note wrong." Suddenly, Jack's worry wasn't so big anymore. By the time they got to the school, his worry was teeny tiny. When he saw his friends with their worries, he knew just what to do. See, he's helping them all deal with their worries, just like he did. And the mistakes, there were a few, but Jack was too busy enjoying himself to worry. See, so if you're worried about something, it helps so much to talk about it. Just like Jack did, and then his worry was just teeny tiny, huh? So our last song is called "Take a Breath," and it's by Rafi. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. But he's a children's musician, and he makes a lot of good songs like this. So here we go. "When I'm not doing fine, I keep this in mind. I can take a breath or two. When I want to be well, I can be still. I can take a breath or two." Remember the breathing exercise we did? Like that. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Okay, let's go again. "When I'm not doing fine, I keep this in mind. I can take a breath or two. When I want to be well, I can be still. I can take a breath or two. Breathing in, breathing out, Breathing in, breathing out. Thank you so much for joining me with today's story time. And I hope that the breathing technique and the songs and the stories helped you understand that being scared and being fearful sometimes is very normal. But it helps so much to talk about it and to know that that feeling will pass and you will be happy again. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.